Yo, what is up, guys? It's Marco here at 2 of I think fireworks. Yes. Alright. Let's go. Oh, shit. Come on. Alright. Come on, I gotta go. I wanna know when it shoots up. Cause just out of nowhere. Yeah. It's fun. There's one from right there. Oh my god. Kaboom! There's just sparklers over there. There's my uncle. This guy's just like showing me on. Oh, that didn't light up good. God damn. Wow. Another one. Kaboom! I like the colors though. Is there gonna be more? Come on, come on. We need more We need more bombs. I'm just kidding. They love throwing the stuff on the ground that explode. Just wait until they do some more. I know it's all dark, guys, but there's only that crappy light there. And there's just my garage light on. Oh, yeah. Oh, I could have preferred something from Advanced Warfare to that. Dang it. Kaboom! Oh, that was out of nowhere. It's nice. Here comes another big one. Where'd it go? Oh, it just disappeared. Just disappeared in the sky? Okay, it makes sense. Total sense. Oh, yeah, the sparklers. Oh, shoot. I want to do that. Oh, yes. Looks cool. Ooh, that was colorful. Christmas colors or something. And that thing's chasing them. Really, these guys are like doing Star Wars shit over here. Like, all the kids got scared. Oh my god. Motorcycle. Whoa. Oh my god, the tree. Watch out, tree. I got him close. Oh! Dino! Yes. So much smoke, guys. I'm gonna freaking die. Oh my god. My friend Marlon is doing those fireworks down there. I was standing in the street or something. That's freaking awesome. That's just a lamp. Oh my god, I can't record all these. God damn. red. Christmas colors. Red. Christmas. Red. The guy just standing in the snow. He's like, I don't care if I die. What are they doing? It's about to be those spinner shit. So yeah guys, this is up to. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll be uploading more of this tonight. But yeah guys, subscribe, comment guys, peace out tomorrow.